Oh, it's a face-off.
What?
It's a face-off. Jabba the baby against the Jedi. Ho 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 ho. Be nice.
I'm just showing her. I'm just showing her my lightsaber.
You're showing her your lightsaber.
Yeah, that's like I was doing a movie. That's a Jedi movie. I'm trying to get this guy off of here. I was tired. I was there. I was tired. Reagan. I'm going to cut your leg off, Daddy.
You're gonna what?
I'm going to cut your leg off.
Why would you do that?
I'm going to do that because you're going to get a lightsaber.
Oh, okay. Go ahead, I suppose.
But I'm going to cut your little leg off.
Okay. Well.
That's why I'm a bad guy today.
Oh, you're a bad guy today?
Nope.
Okay. Well, go ahead, I suppose. Well, if you're going to cut it off, that's going to take all day doing it that way.
I cut your toe off.
You cut my toe off?
Yeah.
Well, can you go pick it up and put it back on? Hey, what about my toes? Put my toe on.
I'm learning how to be a Jedi.
You what?
I'm learning how to be a Jedi.
Oh, you're learning how to be a Jedi. I see. And do Jedi cut people's toes off?
Yeah.
Oh, what else?
And Reagan too.
Oh, I see.